In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Metamask account. If Metamask is acting up, showing outdated activity, or you're dealing with a stuck or pending transaction, there's a simple troubleshooting process you can follow. In this guide, I'll walk you through the built-in method Metamask provides to clear activity-related data safely without affecting your actual funds or your wallet's transaction history on the blockchain. First, open Metamask and lock your wallet. This is a good starting point because it refreshes your active session and helps reset the extension before you try anything else. Locking the wallet does not remove your account. It simply signs you out temporarily, which can help if Metamask is not responding correctly or is displaying information that seems out of sync. Next, completely close your browser. Make sure it's fully shut down rather than just minimized or left running in the background. Once the browser is closed, reopen it and launch Metamask again. Restarting the browser helps clear temporary extension behavior and is often enough to resolve smaller glitches without needing any deeper changes. If Metamask is still having issues after that, open Metamask again and click the menu icon. From there, go into Settings and then open Developer Tools. This section includes troubleshooting options designed for cases where account activity or transaction data inside the extension may not be updating properly. Inside Developer Tools, select Delete Activity and Nonce Data. If Metamask asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the action. This is the key step in the process. It clears the activity and nonce data stored for the currently selected network, which can help resolve problems related to stuck transactions, missing activity, or incorrect pending states within the app. It's important to understand what this does and does not do. This action does not erase your wallet, your assets, or your permanent transaction history on the blockchain. Instead, it only clears local activity and nonce-related data for the network you currently have selected in Metamask. That means it's mainly intended as a troubleshooting tool, especially if something looks wrong inside the extension itself. As a final tip, before making any troubleshooting changes in any wallet, make sure you know your recovery method and keep your wallet information secure. In most cases, though, this Metamask option is a quick and safe way to refresh activity data and get things working normally again. And that's how to clear cache on Metamask account.